Cups can sometimes lose suction. What can I do to get the cups to stick? One of the biggest things to do in order to get the cups to stick is to select a cup that is a little bit smaller in size than the area that you intend to treat. The base of the cup needs to stick on the body. If any portion of the base of the cup is not sticking to the body, the suction won't form. So if I am treating an ankle, I am probably going to choose a small edge cup because I know that cup is just a little bit smaller than the ankle. I won't choose one of the larger edge cups because if I place that over the ankle, the entire base won't stick to the body. So that's one thing. Make sure you are choosing the correct size cup for your intended treatment area. The second thing is that if there is an area that has a lot of hair, the cups won't stick on areas that have a lot of hair. So try to cup areas that have either no hair or very, very fine, thin areas of hair. If you have to, you can shave the area that has a lot of hair and then apply the cup in that area. Another thing is to make sure that you have prepped the body to receive the cups, meaning the cups really need some type of glue or lubrication. I like to use a massage oil, a massage lotion, or a massage cream. I'm going to use a good bit, an adequate amount of that cream or lotion or oil because I really want the cups to stick. If the cups aren't sticking, try to apply a little bit more lubrication. The lubrication is like the glue that helps the cups stick to the body. If you are going to perform movement cupping, you want to add lubrication over the entire area that you are going to be moving that cup in. The cup needs lubrication to slide. It's similar to attempting to slide on a slip and slide without there being any water on that slip and slide. We need to place the lubrication in the areas that we are going to be moving the cups. Some people may be dehydrated, and that will prevent the cups from sticking. If you are performing self-treatments at home, make sure your body is hydrated, and that will help the cups to stick. Attempting to cup over a bony area may be difficult. It is very hard to perform movement cupping over an area that has a bony prominence. So attempting to move the cup over the ankle is likely going to result in a breakage of the suction. Instead, try using the cup in a static position. Put the lubrication around or over the ankle, place the cup directly over the ankle bone, press down on top of the cup, and then leave it. The cup is still working its magic even though it's not moving around.